My parents were survivors of the Korean War. They immigrated to the US in pursuit of the American dream. They left behind their family, their belief systems, their language, all of their credentials, but not the song of Arirang.
That's hard to believe. It wasn't long ago my mother would sing to me in a country of dragonflies flying. He's now a distant memory. 그래, 그렇게. I'm fine, don't worry about me. My race has been run, my part is now done. Just be my American dream. But know that inside there's a woman who was forged across the sea through fighting and hoping somehow coping. I stared on the worst that man can be.
In many ways, for my parents, I was their American dream. I graduated from Harvard twice. I was a general partner of a prestigious private equity firm. But something always felt missing. There was an emptiness to the paper and financial success.
I never could know. Run ahead and leave me behind. The rules are foreign to me. Soar through the horse-scale height, break wall and write your own history. 그래, 그렇게. I'm fine, don't worry about me.
I found the answer when I stopped chasing my parents' vision of the American dream and instead defined it for myself. I walked away from the safety of credentials and did something special, unprecedented. It was for a group of women searching for their American dream, for their family. A group of women who reminded me of my very Korean mom. And as soon as I made that connection, I finally understood the meaning of Arirang and found true success.
미래 불쌍히 여기지 마렴. 난 괜찮으니 I'm stronger than you see. 내 모든 걸 너에게 줄 테니 나를 딛고 날아가렴. We win in a land that thinks so little of me. 괜찮아, 엄만 괜찮아. I can endure
And then Mom died.
I see your face when I sing this song, even though you'll never hear it. It took me years to write. I wasn't sure, was I wise enough to see it? It's about the feeling I get deep down inside my chest, knowing all that you did for.
After my mom died, well, so did my connection to Korea. And to get it back, I had to go where it all started.
You made me me. So when I am down with both a smile and a frown, I sing. When the world puts a price on your soul, I sing. When you're lost and you're left all alone, just remember there's hope and a memory or two. It'll remind us of all that might be. Let's just sing Arirang, 'cause when I do, you'll be here with me.
In many ways, Red Helicopter is Arirang, rock and roll style. It's a testament to my mom, to real leadership, a journey of finding self only through service. We live in a time of narcissism, and thus loneliness and emptiness, where people seek answers from machines and noise. The American dream of my childhood, it's gone, but there's always hope. And something tells me that the path forward lies deep within the meaning of Arirang, not just for Korea, not just for America, but for the world. That's Red Helicopter.
You guys want to try? Let's go.